There's a lot of money with ChatGPT, and if you know how to use it, well, there's going to be good money for you. So let me show you what I mean. ChatGPT, everyone is talking about this. ChatGPT this, ChatGPT that. But now they've got GPT-4. Now this means that it's going to get even better. And if ChatGPT is better, we can make better products and we can make better money. Now GPT-4 has got increased, okay? It has better reason. It can give you more words. So you can make, for example, articles which are like 1,000 words and you can make money on them. So if you want to use ChatGPT, you can just go to OpenAI, click on Try ChatGPT, and you can use one of the features. So, for example, you can ask ChatGPT to do whatever you want, and it can code for you, it can write articles, you can make a lot of these prompts, and it'll give you all of the useful information that you need to do. It's very fast. Sometimes it is slow because a lot of people are using it, but hey, it's free. You don't depend on the speed because, after all, you're not writing anything yourself. So you can make money writing, you can make money copywriting, you can make like YouTube scripts, you can make blog posts, you can make a lot of these things, and it's gonna do all the work for you on autopilot. So let's say you want to do some copywriting, okay? Well, you can go to a website which is called Fiverr.com and you can search for some copywriting. Now in here you can see that a lot of people are killing it, really. Just take a look at this girl. 745 sales happened already for this girl, and it's starting at $75. We can go inside and we can see what this is all about. So you can see the basic package that this girl has is $75. The standard package is $150 and premium package is $300. But let's say out of these 700 sales, let's say that average sale is $150. What we can do is we can simply multiply 745 sales, if I can remember right, times $150. Now that's over $100,000. That's a lot of money if you ask me. $100,000, and what she is doing, she's just writing these copywriting things. Now, if you don't know what copywriting is, well, it's the strategy of creating persuasive content for marketing and sales with the goal of generating conversions and sales. Now, each ad has certain copyright in it. Instagram accounts as well. People make a lot of money on it. But this girl doesn't know maybe about ChatGPT, and she's doing all the work herself. Okay, so basically she is just losing time. If she were happen to use ChatGPT in order to help her, well, she could make a lot more money. She could have a lot more customers. So let's try this with ChatGPT. For example, you can just ask ChatGPT, can you write me copyright ad for, I don't know, maybe Coca-Cola? You can just type that, and ChatGPT is a language model, and it's gonna do the work for you. So you can see here's a possible copyright ad for Coca-Cola. So experience the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola, the world's most beloved soft drink. With its iconic red and white label, every sip of Coca-Cola is like a burst of happiness in your mouth. You can see it's already selling. Okay, so Coca-Cola, taste the feeling. You can even make this shorter. So if the customer asks you to make this shorter, you can just ask ChatGPT to make it shorter, okay? And ChatGPT is, of course, going to do that, and you're going to get a lot of money for it. So you can see it immediately gives you like really short version of the copyright ad. So you can see the possibilities here. Now, of course, Fiverr isn't the only place where you can just get money for it. You can use People Per Hour. People Per Hour is one more website where you can just find a lot of these copywriting jobs, a lot of these copywriting gigs, and people are doing it all around the world. Okay, so for example, look at this one. This guy has niched down to Airbnb listings, and it's $50 each. Okay, but he's got a lot of sales as well. So basically, you can get a lot of money with this as well if you just start to use it. But you don't have to like just use this. You can write articles. You can as well write blog posts. Okay, so for example, this website is going to buy everything that you write. Okay, and of course, you don't have to do it yourself. This website is called textbroker.com. TextBroker.com, and they just buy out the articles from freelancers, and then they just resell those in order to make the profit. Okay, so it's a company. So when you come to TextBroker.com, you click on Write Content and you go to Payment. You will find all the necessary information on how to earn money online with the Brighton. Okay, so first of all, you're going to register as an author. Okay, so an author, you're going to be on this website. And if you just go down, you will see that you can get 1.1 cents per word if the article quality is 3 stars. And this is like open order. Then you've got 1.6 cents per word and 5.5 cents per word. But you don't have to do the math yourself. If you just scroll down a bit more, you will see that for 1,000 words, you can get $16. Now, that's a lot of money, guys, considering that you're not going to do the work yourself. ChatGPT is going to do the work. What you're going to do is you're just going to apply here and get those jobs. And usually, ChatGPT is going to give you the articles which are 4 or 5 stars. So you can see that for 5 stars, you can get $55 for 1,000 words. That's why they have written that there's 5.5 cents per each word. So now you can just try to be creative with ChatGPT prompts in order to get these like higher quality articles from the website. And of course, ChatGPT is going to provide. So you can just ask it, can you write me an article, for example, about, let's say, what should we write? Let's just take healthy food, for example, so I can just show you how this works. ChatGPT has pre-uploaded information. It doesn't take a lot of information from the internet. It just has pre-uploaded information which is constantly being updated. And with GPT-4, it can even take images, it can even take pictures, and it can help you in various tasks. So, for example, if you see this article about healthy food, this has been written in a matter of seconds. And if you find someone on Twitter, on Fiverr, on Upwork, or whatever place you use that needs some article written or blog posts, well, that's going to be a lot of money for you. And basically, guys, honestly, anyone can do this. Wherever you live, anyone can make money with this if you just take the action. There is, of course, also this website, which is called iWriter. iWriter also buys the content and articles from you if you decide to join them. So when you come to iWriter.com, you can click on here, Write Content. When you click on Write Content, you will just have to complete this simple information about yourself, such as first name, last name, email address, and a lot of these other things. So, for example, please write 200 words in English on the following topic. So, this is just for you to get accepted. So, the topic is, please tell us about yourself and why would you like to write for iWriter. So, you don't even have to do this yourself. You can just ask ChatGPT, and there's also this like second question. In this way, you just have to like answer to this question. What is the number one way a company can be successful with social media marketing? So you can copy this and paste the same question in here in ChatGPT prompt. Okay, so it's going to do the work for you. You can just apply and start getting the money from iWriter as well. So you can see how easy this is, guys. Now, you just have to be dedicated. You have to invest a bit of your time, apply, and start working with ChatGPT. Go and do it, and I'll catch you.